Hey friends, how you doing today? It's Tech Tip Day and I'm super excited. I got a little cool setup here that you may not even know is possible, and we're going to show you that it is and that it's super cool. So if you missed us last time, just check out what we talked about on the last video, which was setting up a Sonos system. So we have a portable Sonos box that we set up here last time, and today I'm adding a little fun to the puzzle. This is a Lutron Caseta master controller. Basically what this thing's typically used for is to connect your light switches to your iPhone or your Android and be able to control your lights, which is awesome. And at some point we can show you how to do that. But for today, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how Lutron integrates with Sonos and how you can control your Sonos with your Lutron. So what I'm going to do here is I got an Ethernet cable here from my desk, and I'm going to get this brain online. In doing so, I'm going to show you this little fun device here. This is a Lutron Pico controller. If you look at it, it's actually specifically laid out with audio buttons on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to create the ability to use this wireless controller to control the Sonos box. So give me a second here and let me get this opened up. We're ready to go. So I got my iPhone here as well. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to jump on our iPhone and we're going to go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, and we are going to search for Lutron real quick. And we are looking for the Lutron Caseta app. Looks like a little blue icon with a lamp and a window inside of it. So we're going to download that and open that bad boy up. Now this is really cool. All configuration can be done directly from your iOS device or your Android device. So it's pretty cool that we don't have to pull a computer out to do this. So when I open this bad boy up, there's two ways to do this. So you can click Get Started or Sign In, which will allow you to create credentials for your account. In my instance right now, I'm going to just go through this in contractor mode, but it works just the same. So I'm going to click on contractor mode. Next option is what do I want to do, and I'm going to click Set Up System. It allows me to put contractor information in. So if you're doing this for somebody else, we recommend that you set it up in contractor mode. If you're doing it for yourself, then you just want to sign in and set it up as an end user. So I'm going to click on Next here, and it says Install Devices. Please install your Lutron devices. So I plugged this bad boy into power, I plugged it into the internet, and now basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan for it. So the app is going to start searching for the main repeater. As soon as the main repeater is found, it'll let us know that it's found, and then what it's going to do is it's going to have us tag the little button on the back of it. So that's my next step here. Tap the button on the back of your bridge. So I'm going to go ahead and tap that button, and instantly my app says connecting to your Lutron system. It says time and location. If we were using this device for lighting, we can do some really cool scene stuff where we can have the lights go on automatically at certain times of the day. But we're gonna skip over the time and location and just let the phone pick it up automatically based on longitude and latitude. And we're gonna move past the scene setup, and we're gonna go straight for setting up a device. Okay, so just give me 1 second here for this to be able to figure out what it's doing, and it says choose the type of device you'd like to add to the app. So we're going to go after what is called a Pico. This little bad boy is called a Pico controller, okay? So the cool thing about it is that the app gives you pictures of every single thing that we're looking for here. So we're basically going to just click a Pico remote for audio. Super simple. It says press and hold the bottom button for 10 seconds until the LED blinks quickly. So we're going to press and hold that bottom button, and we're just going to keep on holding it for about 10,000 here until we see that light start blinking quickly. As soon as that light starts blinking quickly, it says tell us where this room is located. So if you plan on using this device in your kitchen, if you plan on making it portable, you can pick from a list of names, or you can click on Other, and when you click on Other, you can click Add Room, and I'm just going to get it portable. And the reason that I'm doing that is because I named the Sonos Portable on last week's Tech Tip, and I want to keep things consistent. And it says, is this room located indoors and outdoors? In this case, we're going to go with indoors, and it says, what is this room used for? I'm going to go sleeping. So we're going portable, indoors, and sleeping. You guys can be a little more specific to the exact room that it's going in. It automatically starts to scan for a Sonos device. So it says select Sonos room for the audio Pico to control. And we'll get a screenshot of this, but basically my portable device pops right up on my screen. I'm going to put a check in the box, and I'm going to click Done. At that point, it says, what do you want to do next? Add another device, or I'm done adding devices. So I'm going to click I'm done adding devices, and we've now added this audio controller as an option for our Sonos, okay? So the next thing we're going to want to do here is we're going to want to create a scene, okay? So the reason that we're going to create a scene is because we want this device to be able to start this Sonos player for us automatically. So what I'm going to do is click a scene. We're going to call this scene, let's say, Party. I'm going to click on Party and click Next. And it's going to say choose the devices and levels that you like for this scene. So I'm going to click on the Sonos room. I'm going to choose the room portable. I'm going to set the level. and it says choose a Sonos favorite to play. So basically what I'm going to do really quickly is I'm going to jump out of the Lutron app. I'm going to jump into the Sonos app. In the Sonos app, I am going to go to Browse. I'm going to go to TuneIn Radio, and I'm going to pick a radio station. This could be done through Pandora. This could be done through Spotify. You can do it through any Wolfgang's Vault. You can do it through Apple Music, anything you want. So we're going to pick a favorite station, and we're going to add it. We're going to add that as a favorite. Now that we've added that as a favorite station, we're going to jump back into the Lutron app. We're going to click choose a favorite to play, and that favorite shows right up in my list on the Lutron app. We could select that as a favorite. Now this device has been set up for when I hit play to play that favorite station, then allow me to turn the volume up and down from this Pico remote control. Super, super simple. So if I grab this boy in my hand, I press play, my station comes on. I can use this remote control to turn the volume up and down.
Maybe Djokovic. That's going to be.
And I can use it to pause the system. And that, my friends, is how you make Lutron and Sonos work together. I hope you guys give it a try, and I hope you have a great day.